This is the student registration help video. The first thing you need to do is go to firstinspires.org. Once you are at firstinspires.org, click Register in the top right corner. After clicking Register, you'll be put onto a screen asking you to fill out your personal information. You must use your personal email, as using your school email will cause issues. The password you use must contain capital letters, lowercase letters, numbers, special characters, and must be more than 10 characters long. After registering, go to your email and activate your account. In your email, there will be a link asking you to click on it to activate your account. Click on it. After clicking on the link, it will bring you to a page confirming your email. Next, you will need to log into your account using the login information you just made. After logging in, you will need to accept the terms and conditions for First. After accepting the terms and conditions, you will be prompted to complete your account information. On your account profile, you will need to fill out your home address. Next, you will need your zip postal code. After filling out this information, you can fill out your demographic information or leave it as prefer not to. After filling this out, press Save. After you have successfully saved your new account information, click Back to Dashboard. After going back to Dashboard, you will be prompted to invite your parent or guardian to link to your account. After closing the pop-up, click Invite Parent/Guardian. Here you will need to fill out the first name, last name, email address, and phone number of your parent or guardian. After filling out this information, click Send Invitation. After sending the invitation, go back to the dashboard. In the top left, click Apply to a Team. Here you will be prompted to input your school, current grade, and if you are eligible for free or reduced lunch. After selecting school, another drop-down menu will appear, asking you to select which public or private school you are in. Please select which school you go to. After filling out this information, the next page will ask you to select which program you are a part of. Choose which program you are participating in. After selecting your program, please input the number for your school. After entering your team number, information about your team will appear below it. Click Apply. You have successfully applied to your team and you are done with the registration process.